Hey guys, welcome back to Basmati Kitchen. Today we're gonna make Basmati rice, the recipe that you guys have been asking me for about a month, almost since when I started my channel. I've been getting emails, messages from around the world. It's a simple but an awesome recipe, and I'm gonna show you a few tricks that's gonna make your rice perfect and they're never gonna be sticky or broken again. So let's get started because it is Basmati. So let's go over the ingredients really quick. I'm gonna show you the start of the show is my rice. I like to use expensive rice. It's extra long Royal Chef aged basmati rice, and I want to show you the grain. It is so perfect. Guys, I have cooked for 1,000 people and I've cooked for 20 people. Either catering, I only trust this brand of rice because this is my favorite. Now we're gonna move on to black zira and salt. Alright guys, so we've seen all the ingredients. This is the last one I didn't really talk about. It's the non-stick spray. I'm actually going to show you the application for it. It's really simple, but it's really cool. Now, let's get started. So I put my big colander down in the dish drain. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the bowl of rice. Now, I like to use room temperature water to wash out my rice. I do it 3 times. So I'm going to show you. Yep. Now, with your hands, very gently. So now you make sure all the starch is coming off. And turn it off. Rinse it back in. So that's wash number 1. So now I'm gonna put it back in and I'm gonna wash it again and I'm gonna rinse it off again. And I do it, my guys do it. Doesn't matter if I have to make 1 tray of biryani or 20 trays of biryani. This step happens every single time. I want it hand washed, rinsed 3 times. So this is after the 3rd wash. You see how clear the water is because we got most of the starch out. Now you're gonna let it sit for at least 20 minutes. I like to let it sit for half hour and then we're gonna cook the rice. So I let the rice sit for about half hour. Now I'm gonna drain it in the strainer. I'm using a little one so we can dump it back in the bowl. Make sure you get all the rice in because rice is. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon black zira and 1 tablespoon salt. Now I'm gonna add the rice in the pot. Now over here, it's really cool. What you do is you wait for the first boil and the second boil, and after that you taste the rice. If it's done but not quite done, then it's time to take it out and put it on dum. I'll show you, it's really simple. This is almost done. We have our first boil in and you see, wow, look at the grain of rice. It doubles its size. Still needs a few minutes, so you can still feel like that hard thing. It has to be done but not quite done and not quite raw. Take second boil. Alright guys, we just saw the second boil. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna taste the rice. It's ready, because can't mess with that. So I'm gonna strain it. So I'm gonna spray a little non-stick spray. So what it does is prevents the rice crumbs sticking to the bottom. So what we're gonna do is So I have the pizza cover down. I like to use that instead of tawa. We're gonna put the pot on it. I'm gonna cover it up. And now you're gonna put it on dum for about 5 minutes. We're gonna check, and then if we need more, we'll do it a little bit more, alright? Wow. Rice is ready. I'm gonna do a little test. Nothing gets stuck. Ready? I want you to come closer and I want you to look at the grain of rice. Wow, that is gorgeous. And it's all separated. And because of the non-stick spray, come on, come inside. Because of the non-stick spray, nothing is stuck. That is as awesome as it gets. So after the rice is cooked, what I do is that was the final step. Rice is cooked. I'm gonna leave here to rest. But now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna plate, and we're gonna plate it definitely Basmati style. I'm gonna put the rice down. I have it on my platter. And before I move on to something else, I'm gonna give it a little color, a little contrast. Changes the whole dynamic. Check it down. And put the masala. I'm gonna put down the salad. A little parsley down. This is it, guys. The rice is ready. It smells amazing, and the consistency is on point. And the plating is definitely out of this world. I have a little deconstructed salad of tomato, onions, and lemon. We have a little chicken salad. We have green chutney, and of course, spicy pepper. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. It is simple, it is nothing to it, and it comes out perfectly every single time. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll get you guys next time, Basmati style. Okay, I'm gonna take it for a spin. Can't have it without lemon. Wow, I love rice. This it is so good. You have to try the recipe. I wish you could try this.